We're in the wood shop. Maya and Ava are with me. And this item was discarded by someone. And a friend picked it up and felt that because of our appreciation for wood, we would like it to maybe to go at one of our projects. And it is very cool. Right away, I when I looked at it, I thought it was an exotic wood. And after looking at the bottom of it, they felt that it was magnolia wood. But after researching it a little bit more, that's really not the case as far as I can tell. That's really just the name of the company. And it probably was made in India. And therefore the wood probably came from India, which that doesn't rule out magnolia tree. It still could be. But then after looking at some others on the internet which were identical, we came up with the name Acacia. Acacia. Which does look, I was looking at pictures of the wood, acacia, and it matches really good. However, there still can be variations even within a wood. So some of the cool facts I found were there's over 1,300 subspecies of acacia. It's been around for 20 million years plus. It's native to Australia and Africa, but was introduced to India as a fuel wood. In India, it's known as Babul, Babul. It also used for paper, furniture, tools, and it also has tannin, just as the North American hemlock tree does. So it can be used in the tanning industry. It's a fast-growing invasive species. And this is, I found really interesting. It said that it was 55% harder than white oak. Let's see, this is a piece I just finished yesterday. This could be white oak right here. White oak is hard. So this is very hard. And it says it's 23% harder than hickory. Hickory is really dense wood. So this stuff is super dense and hard. Some of the other interesting, let's see, it's an evergreen. A little surprised on that. Evergreens are usually softer. It said it reaches 50 to 100 feet tall, so it's a decent sized tree. And I think it said it matures in 15 to 20 years. So it reaches maturity, so I don't know if that means it's done growing. I doubt it. So anyway, so what am I going to do here? I'm guessing they might have discarded it because of the cuts. I'm not going to try to remove them. I might see if they come out a little bit. Steel wool it some. I am going to take the edge off this a little bit. I'm going to ease the edge a little bit more. That'll give me a chance to feel how hard it is to sand. And I'm also going to do the same thing at the bottom edge here. Remove the sticker. I have really no need for that being on there. It's kind of cool that this is on there, but that's fine. So yeah, this edge is really sharp. You can feel the grain, the edge of the wood. So I'll probably kind of round it off a little bit. I'm more into the eased edge a little bit. And then afterwards, I envision it could be used as is. It's considered a cake holder stand. Or could even take one of the cool stones I have and set it on there to give it a little bit more character as like a hors d'oeuvres, cheese, crackers, serving things. So I think so there's a few cool options that we could use it for. So with that said, let's grab some sandpaper, and I'm going to ease the edges a little bit. And I could use this pad a little bit afterwards. And then I'm going to give it a really thin coat of tung oil. Because it is so hard and so dense, you don't want to put much on it. Plus, it's just not going to take the sealer in much. Okay, so there we go. Acacia. Pretty sure I'm pronouncing that correctly. Acacia. So really cool. I do have other exotic woods, so we'll be maybe do some future videos on them. And you can, oh, so this is the heartwood, and this is the outer wood of the tree, going by photos that I was looking at. This one looks a little different, so who knows, maybe they threw something else in there, but with 1,300 subspecies, you could get, if this may not have come from all the same trees, so you might have a slightly difference in species. Okay, there we go. Cool.